Hello, I'm Rebecca and today I'm going to be demonstrating our brand new Christmas blockbuster. So let's get started. The topper set that I've chosen to demonstrate today is the Snowy Days Snowman Kisses. We're going to use our foiled cardstock and we're going to make our very own card blank. So we don't need one from our stash. We're going to make it as a 4x8. So we are going to trim the height down to 8 first of all the way along. And then we're going to trim it down to 8 this way as well. We're going to bring our scoreboard in, place it this way round on the scoreboard so that our foiled snowflakes will be at the bottom. And then we're going to score halfway at 4. It's adorable scoreable cardstock, so it scores really, really well and is strong enough to form card bases. I'm going to give that a really good crease. And then finally, we're just going to simply embellish this with our toppers. Okay, and then once I'm happy with my toppers, I'm just going to adhere all of those on. And I'm going to do that with some foam pads. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to finally embellish my card with some gemstones. And then that is our really sweet and simple 5-minute make Snowy Days Snowman Kisses card.